If you want to remove AnyDesk quickly, safely, and without wasting time, this short guide will walk you through the exact steps. Before we begin, make sure you close AnyDesk completely so the files are not still running in the background. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fast software fixes and tutorials. First, close AnyDesk fully. Do not just minimize it or click away from the window. You want the app completely shut down so Windows is not still using its files. This is important because if AnyDesk is active in the background, the changes you make may not work. Next, go to the System tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. Look for the AnyDesk icon, right-click it, and choose Quit. This makes sure the program is completely closed and not just hidden. Skipping this step can cause the reset or removal process to fail, so take a second to confirm it is fully exited. Now press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run Dialog. This is the fastest way to jump directly to the AnyDesk data folder without digging through multiple menus. In the box that appears, type %program data %AnyDesk, then press Enter. This opens the AnyDesk system data directory. Once the folder opens, look for the configuration files named service.conf and system.conf. These files store AnyDesk setup information and can keep the app tied to its current configuration. If your goal is to remove or reset AnyDesk data, these are the files you need to target. Select those configuration files, right-click them, and choose Delete. If Windows asks you to confirm, click Yes. This removes the current configuration so AnyDesk can no longer rely on those saved settings. If you are troubleshooting or trying to fully clean up the app, this step is the key part of the process. After that, reopen AnyDesk. When it starts again, it should rebuild fresh files as needed. That is why this method is so useful when AnyDesk is acting up, stuck, or needs to be removed more cleanly from the system data area. If you want to go one step further, you can also check whether AnyDesk still appears in your installed apps or startup items and remove it there as well, depending on your goal. But for many users, closing AnyDesk, deleting the configuration files, and reopening it is enough to clear the main data. And that is how to remove AnyDesk data the quick and simple way. If this video saved you time, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next fast how-to tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.